Welcome to Hugo Reviews, simple technology reviews. A special thank you to Computer Advantage in Sarasota for being a product sponsor. Today, we are unboxing a keyboard from Matias that is a backlit keyboard designed to pair between more than one device. The keyboard charges with a micro USB cable and uses Bluetooth to sync. We followed the pairing to a Mac instructions in the box, and it failed to sync on the first try. It worked fine on the second. One thing we noted before typing too much or playing with the backlit functionality was the caps lock light seems to be on. This is the only one we've tested, so there's no way to know if this is a glitch or if this is normal operation. The backlight is pretty neat, but it is not intuitive at all, as it requires holding down two keys to actually adjust the brightness. Overall, we give this product 3 stars, but as far as simplicity goes, this keyboard only gets a 2-star mark. It's pretty easy to see that this keyboard is geared for Mac users, as it does have a lot of Mac shortcuts already on it. We did note that the keys feel a little bit soft and less tactile than the keyboard, especially on the new MacBook Pro if you're used to typing on that at all. The keyboard does feel good on the desk and does weigh a lot, so it doesn't really move around underneath you as you type, which is a nice thing. Again, thanks for joining us here at Hugo Reviews. Hope to see you next time. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, check out our other reviews. Have an awesome day.